Hello and welcome to Hawkins Motors Peugeot. My name's Liam and today I'm showing you the special deals we've got on the Peugeot Traveller Actives. These are the Peugeot Traveller Actives with additional specification such as 3D connective navigation by TomTom, 180-degree colour reversing camera, 17-inch alloy wheels and a panoramic glass roof with built-in ventilation. They're also part of the lower tax bracket and they all come with metallic paint. So the key to the Traveller is its flexibility. It's got 3 seats in the back, 3 seats in the middle and 2 seats at the front. The middle and rear seats all slide on rails and are fully removable and adjustable. This allows you to have greater space for family life or even work life. So thank you for your time today. If you like what you see, feel free to look at more information on our website, hawkins.co.uk, or better still, check out your local Hawkins Peugeot dealership. We're open 7 days a week and would love to hear from you.